Guys, welcome back. We are doing trigonometry again. Question number 5. If tan 41 degree is equal to a letter t, small letter t, write down the value of the following in terms of t. Okay, that's a question. You can see that tan 319, sine 82 degrees, and cos 19 degrees. All of them you have to write the answer in terms of t. Isn't it? What is t? Tan 41. Guys, this question you can do it by drawing a Cartesian plane where you can see that the angle is an acute angle, so first quadrant, and you have to find x, y, r. That way you can do it. Or the easy way is, because look at the angle here. What is the angle here? Angle is 41, isn't it? This 41. Since it's an acute angle, you can just draw a right angle triangle, and using Sokatova you can find all the sides in terms of t. I think that is easy and you can easily understand. Remember, I repeat it once again, the one that I am going to show you will work if you have acute angle. Here, is it an acute angle 41 degree? Yes. What do you mean by an acute angle? The angle less than 90 degree. So let me draw a right angle triangle before I go to the first question. A right angle triangle. I hope you know what you mean by right angle triangle. One of the angle is 90 degree, and one of the acute angle is 41, isn't it? Okay, so and 40, this acute angle, what is this one? This is 41. These two angles, acute angles, are complementary, right? There are some is 90 degree. You know that because already 190 degree is there, which means other two angles some must be 90. Then only 90 plus 90 going to be 180. You know that angle sum is 180 in a triangle. So this angle is 49, isn't it? Okay. So any trigonometry ratio with 41 or 49, you can write it in terms of t. Okay, what is given? Tan 41 is equal to t, isn't it? The one that is given is, let me write it here, tan 41 is equal to t. Since we need to apply Sokatova, you need to look at the right hand side as fraction. So t, we can write t over 1, isn't it? And by definition, what is tan? Opposite over adjacent, isn't it? Tan 41, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is t, and adjacent is 1, isn't it? So we can write it like that. Then we can use Pythagoras to get what? The hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? The longest side, or side opposite to 90 degree, right? Okay, so we can get that one using Pythagoras, isn't it? So the longest side, let me look for the longest side. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of this, that is t square plus 1 square, that is 1 itself, isn't it? 1 square is 1 itself. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to, I am writing capital H for representing hypotenuse, or you can write x there, it's up to you. Square root of t square plus 1. So hypotenuse, I got it, square root of t square plus 1. I hope you understood up to here. Remember, this right angle triangle I constructed because this angle is 90 degree. Nowadays, when you look at the question papers, you can see question like this. Sometimes they will give you diagram, maybe in the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. There you can go by Cartesian plane. X value, y value, r value, you can do it. Here no diagram is given, only an acute angle, a trigonometry ratio with the acute angle. So we can do it like that. Remember, here 41 is important. Similarly, 49 also important. You can get it by using Sokatova, right? Okay, now we can attempt the first two questions because we have three sides. 5.1. What is the first question? Tan 319. So 319, you have to change it and you have to bring, instead of 319, in terms of 41. Is it possible? Here mainly three things you have to look at when you do questions like this. Either reduction formula, or compound angle formula, or a double angle formula. Any one of that you have to try one by one. Okay, we can't say when you look at this question what we supposed to apply. You have to try like that, or by practicing you get some idea about this one, what to do. 319, this one is a big angle and close to 360. You know that that angle is in the fourth quadrant, isn't it? That angle in the fourth quadrant. 319 is somewhere here. So fourth quadrant is 270 and 360, isn't it? Okay, so this 319, let me replace it. So I can go with the 270 plus 49, or 360 minus 41. Do you see that one? Okay, since 41 I will get it when I use 360, let me go with that. 270 plus 49 also will work, but 270 is there, the complications. Okay, always safe side is when you write reduction formula, either 180 or 360 in terms of, you can write it copy that. So here let me use 360, that is tan 360 minus 41. Isn't it 360 minus 41, 319? Yes. Okay, but at the same time I want to see 41, because 41 is the special angle in this question at this stage. So tan 360 minus 41, this one is a reduction formula, because first angle is the border angle, right? Okay, reduction formula, tan in the fourth quadrant, tan is what? Negative, isn't it? Negative. Then tan of 41. Tan of 41, they are same. Tan 360 minus 41 is, in fact, all these three things are same. And we need this one, that is minus, because the answer must be in terms of t. What is tan 41 now? Is t, isn't it? See, it's very simple. We got it. Okay, that is 2 marks question. Now we can go to the next question, 5.2. What is that? Sine 82 degree. Okay, look at the angle 82. What I am looking for is 41. I want something in terms of 41, isn't it? Then only I can bring t there. So 82 and 41, is there any connection? If you apply reduction formula, 90 minus 8 is 82. So 41 is not coming anywhere there, isn't it? But 82, you know that, isn't it? 2 times 40, double angle. Can you think that? Double angle, 82. Half of 82 is what? 41. So I can bring 41 here. 2 times 41. Do you see that one? Yes. So we can say this is the double angle. Why? 2 times, you are doubling 41. So sine 2 theta, you know the formula, eh? Sine 2 theta. What is the formula? 2 sine theta cos theta, isn't it? Okay, replace theta with the 41, you will get it. That is sine 2 times theta. Here theta is what? 41 is same as 2 sine 41 cos 41. See, we got trigonometric ratio in terms of 41, and you can go to the diagram and or write that right angle triangle and just get it using Sokatova and substitute. That is the answer. That 4 mark is yours. That is 2 times, what is sine 41? Sine 41, what is by definition? Opposite over hypotenuse, isn't it? So that is going to be, opposite is t over hypotenuse is square root of t square plus 1. Just replace it. Then cos times cos 41. What is cos 41? Go to the diagram, apply cos 41. What is by definition? Adjacent over hypotenuse, isn't it? That is 1 over square root of t square plus 1. Is it clear? So I can write 1 over adjacent over hypotenuse. So that definition you need to know. T square plus 1. So we are done, guys. Then the matter of simplification. So it's going to be what? Since all are multiplied, 2 times, look at the numerators. 2 times t times 1 is 2t in the numerator. Denominator square root of t square plus 1, again square root of. Same thing with the square root. When you multiply, what happens, guys? Square root will disappear. So the answer is t square plus 1. So this is the 4 marks question, isn't it? So remember, when you attempt this kind of questions, you need to know reduction formula, double angle formula, compound angle formula. Okay, all right. Now we can go to the last question, 5.3. Now coming to the last question, 5.3, cos 19 degree. Okay, how do I make a 19 in terms of 41? It's a good question. 19, I have to replace 19. Somehow I have to bring 41 there. Okay, let me think of a reduction formula first. 19, where do you see 19? Which quadrant? First quadrant. 19, only way you can write 90 minus what is 19? 90 minus 71, isn't it? Okay, so there is no 41 there. So that way of thinking is not going to work. Now I have to look for a double angle. No, because 19 is smaller than 41, so double angle is not going to work. Then compound angle, guys, is it compound angle? So when it comes to compound angle, what do you mean by compound angle? It's sum or difference of any two angles, isn't it? Okay, so when you apply compound angle, think about special angles. What are the special angles? 30, 45, 60. Plus this in this question 41 and 49 also special angles. Okay, question to question, some new special angles you will get here, 41 and 49 also. So with the help of those combination, sum and difference, can you get 41? Guys, you can see that you can see that because 30 is there, 45 is there, what if we subtract 60 minus 41? 60 is a special angle, and 41 in this question, 41 also a special angle, isn't it? So we can write, what is 60 minus 41? Or 49 minus 30? Isn't it? All will give you 19, because I have to replace this 19 somehow. Okay, so I'm just using this one. Cos 60 is a special angle minus what? 60 minus what? Is going to be 41, isn't it? 60. What is 60 minus 41, guys? Is 19. Do you see that? Those are the familiar angles, 60 and 41. That 90 is changed and 60 minus 41. So cos 60 minus 41, what is the formula? Cos A minus B. See, cos A minus B is what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, isn't it? Okay, so in the replace A with the 60 and B with the 41. So you will get some trigonometry ratios, 60, 41, and substitute in, you will get the answer. So let me write it. It's going to be cos 60 cos 41, because of minus you have to write here plus, opposite, then sine. It is there, that it is there in the formula sheet. Those who have no idea about this one, please go to the formula sheet. It is there. Sine 60, then sine 41. Did you see that? Degrees. Okay, you have to mention degrees there, all the angles. So now just the matter of substitution, isn't it? What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 over 2. What is cos 41? You can get it from the diagram. Adjacent over hypo, that is 1 over square root of t square plus 1. Plus, what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Then sine 41 is opposite, that is for t over square root of t square plus 1. See, we are done. We substitute and that's it. See, the answer is there in terms of t. Now just simplify. You can see that two fractions are added, which is going to be, numerator is 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 square root of t square plus 1. Here what? Root 3 times 3, t is square root of 3t divided by same denominators, 2 times t square plus 1. Okay, so what is the final answer? Since the denominators are same, did you see that we can add it? So how do you add it? The same denominator, 2 square root of t square plus 1. Numerator, just add it, 1 plus, it's an unlike term, just write it like that. root 3t. So we have done another 4 marks also there. So this one is mainly about the reduction formula, compound angle and a double angle. And remember, I repeat once again, if you get a question like this where angle is an acute angle, it is better to draw a right angle triangle. Then things are going to be very easy. Is it clear? I hope you understood this question, and I'm going to give you another question same like this. Just try that question and send it to me. I will check it for you. Okay, so guys, this is the question. Now you can write it down, pause the video and write it down, and just do it yourself and send it to me. All right, okay, I'm stopping this video. Bye.